In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off nearby device scanning on Samsung phone. There are two ways to do this. You can use the search function on your Samsung device settings or go through the device settings or device connection to turn off the nearby scanning feature on your device. Now to do this, all you need to do is go to your Samsung phone settings. While on the settings, click on connections, then scroll down and click on more connection settings. Then tap nearby device scanning. You can just toggle this to turn off the nearby device scanning, or click on this and then your phone will scan for device nearby and let you connect to them in a pop or in notification panel. Your phone will scan for device even when Bluetooth is turned off. So with the nearby device scanning, your phone will be able to scan for a nearby device without the Bluetooth. Then to turn off this feature, you need to do is toggle this off. And once that is off, you are done. So this is how you can easily turn off nearby device scanning on your Samsung phone. But you need to know that once this feature is turned on, your device will no longer be able to scan for devices when the Bluetooth is not activated or when the Bluetooth is not turned off. So if you find this so interesting and helpful, if you want to learn about it, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.